So you're looking to make a good thumbnail, but you're not sure how to do it. Don't worry, I got you covered. In this video, we're gonna be going over very easy instructions on how to make a really simple, clickable thumbnail that's gonna grab the attention of anybody that's looking at your videos. Before we get into the video though, make sure to hit that like, subscribe button, and if you could leave a comment, I'd really appreciate it because it does help the channel and helps my algorithm. Let's get into the video. So as I said, we're going to be making this thumbnail using Capcut, which is a 100% free application that you can use. There is an option to go pro if you so choose to. I personally use pro because I love this application and I'd like to give back, but you don't have to. You can make this thumbnail 100% free. First thing we're going to do, create project once you have it downloaded. Once you have Capcut open, you're going to want to have a base picture. Base picture is whatever the thumbnail is going to look like in the background. Now, you can either upload a picture yourself by hitting the import button, which will open up all of your other files where you can then select a file, a picture that you already have downloaded, or you can choose from the library. I enjoy choosing from the library because it's nice and simple, and you don't really want to make the background too busy. So we're going to hit the library button up here, and then in the search box, we're just going to type something, whatever you want to look for. So let's just say that I want to have the background as clouds. Type in clouds. It's automatically going to bring you with some options. Now, I understand that some of these are videos. That's fine. If you don't have it downloaded already, you click on it, it'll automatically download it for you. So this is a pretty nice background. We're gonna choose this one just for the sake of the video because it's nice and open. And you're gonna choose where in the video you want to have it. So let's say I want it to be, the beginning looks pretty good. I like to have it right about there. So, secondly, we're gonna want to add a picture of you. Most of the times you want to have a picture of your face or something that's related to what you want to have in the thumbnail. So for this instance, I already have a picture that I already want for this exact thumbnail example. So I'm gonna go back up to import because we're in library right now. We want to go back into import. I'm gonna hit the select import button, and I'm gonna select the photo that I want to actually put in here. You're then going to take that photo and you're going to drag it on top of the area that you want to have. So it's going to be as an overlay. Now, we are using the computer. There are similar ways to do this on the phone, but for this example, we are using the computer. So now that I have my face, my wonderful face, putting a little finger up to show, woo, surprise. This is going to be the thumbnail for this video in particular. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this picture, but I don't want the background. I don't want the background of the door that I have there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come up to here and do remove background. Now, for the most part, you can just do auto remove, but this is a pro feature. So what you wanna do is you hit custom if you don't have pro, and you just drag the little mouse over where you want to have removed. Get the little finger here too. There we go. Once this is done, I'm gonna hit apply. Now, I want to have this reverse. So I'm gonna actually hit the mirror button to switch it over. And I'm gonna move myself over a little bit. I'm actually gonna bring it up a little bit more here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to stroke. Stroke is gonna give you an opportunity to surround yourself with a little bit of a background. Now you can change the color of the stroke, and then if you choose a different color, you can come down here, change the color of whatever you want it to be. Let's say you wanted yellow, and then you wanted the size of it to be bigger, so you have a little bit of a background. Let's say we wanted that as the background, right? And I want the background to go all the way around and in the corner. So that way, now, it looks like it's going all the way around me, right? From here, you can choose to go to text. So up here on the top left here, you go to text, and then text effects. test effects. From here, you can choose your different fonts that you want to, the different types that you want to use. So for this instance, let's go ahead and let's use this orange one. This orange one's pretty good. You drag it down here, but I want a different font. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the font here, and I usually like bangers, but for this sake, we're going to use this one here. So then you change the font. Let's say, how to create and now I want to do a different one. So let's bring down this this colorful one here. Choose a different font. Thumbnails. And you can drag the corners to make it bigger. And then we can just we can use as many different ones as we want. Using, and down here, whichever one is on the top is going to be the one that's up above. So considering using is now on the absolute top, it's going to go over whatever you have. So I can put it right here, and then we can do the caps. You can go and get the Capcut symbol to put it on there, or you could just write Capcut. Using Capcut. Now, from here, it's super easy. We can actually make this a little bit smaller so we can fit in with all the letters. From here, all I do is I open the snippet tool, or you could take a screenshot. If you wanted to take a screenshot, that's fine. And I just copy the photo. Doesn't have to have a video associated with it. All you're doing is you're taking a screenshot of the thumbnail that you just made, and then you're saving that to your computer. Easy peasy. Now, there's a lot of different things you can do. I just did a quick example for something that I would do, but you could do a whole bunch of other stuff. You don't have to do what I'm doing. There's a bunch of different options in here for things that you want to do. Possible things. You can change it. You can have little sidewards actions. You can make it bigger, smaller, up or down. You can change things around. You can do different strokes if you want. It's literally up to you. It's not, the sky is the limit when it comes to creating these thumbnails and what you can actually do. You can even take filters and you can drag in the filters. Let's say I wanted my face to look a little bit better and the clouds to look a little bit sharper. You can then put a filter in and make it look absolutely crazy, right? The sky's the limit. Easy peasy work, not hard to do. If you have any questions, please hit me up in the comments below. I'd love to answer them for you. But you can be a pro using Capcut. Doesn't take a lot of work, and it will catch the eye of anybody that's looking at your videos. Remember, your thumbnails are very important. It's what gets people to your video. Anyway, I hope this helped. If you have any questions, please leave a comment leave a comment down below. If you enjoyed the content, make sure to hit a like button and to subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one. Remember to stay positive. It'll always work out. Mad Dasher out.